Okay, again, guys. So now this is summarize what we have just finished in the first section of chapter 20, chapter 31. Okay, we can use it as it is. Okay, here we are going to finish the first lesson here. It's about post-war uncertainty. We are also, I will send these questions to be answered and to send me the answers for these questions by the end of the week, maybe by the end of next Thursday, inshallah. We are going to answer these questions. Why were the ideas of Einstein and Freud revolutionary? How did literature in the 1920s reflect the uncertainty of the period? What impact did the increased use of automobile have on average people? Here we started. Impact of Einstein theory of relativity. Albert Einstein offered radically new ideas in field of physics. He invented and also he established the theory of relativity, idea that space and time are not constant. New ideas make world seem more uncertain than before. You have a question here? Okay. I don't know, Abdurrahman, how can I use it as full screen? So we are going to present through the presenter view. Okay, so now, here, as we said, Albert Einstein Albert Einstein offered radically new ideas in field of physics, theory of relativity, idea that space and time are not constant. New ideas make worlds seem more uncertain than before. The other scientist was one of the significant scientists after the First World War was Sigmund Freud, who has an influence of Freudian psychology. Sigmund Freud, an historian doctor with new ideas about the mind, claims that human behavior is not based on reason. Impact of the war. Suffering caused by World War leads many to doubt old beliefs. Writers reflect society concerns. Novels of Kafka reflect uneasiness of post-war years. Novels of Joyce reflect Freud's ideas about the mind. Thinkers react uncertainties. Philosophy of existentialism to universal meaning to life. Friedrich Nietzsche urges returning to ancient heroic values. Artists rebel against the tradition. Artists want to depict the inner world of mind. Cubism transforms natural shapes into geometric forms. Surrealism is the art movement that links dreams with real life. Composers, new styles. Composers moves away from traditional styles. Jazz, musical styles that captures age, new freedom. The women's rules change. Women take on new rules during the World War I. This work helps many win their rights to vote. In 1920, women adopt freer clothing and hairstyles. Some women seek new careers. Also, the technological advances improve life. The automobiles alert society. Cars improves after the First World War. Cars became less expensive. Increased autos use change people's lives. In airplanes, George Lindbergh is the first to fly alone across the Atlantic Ocean. In radio and movies dominate popular entertainment. In 1920s, commercial radio stations spread across the US. Motion pictures became major industry or form. That's what we have finished in this section. So let's go back to these three questions. Again, I will send these three questions to be answered and to send me the answers for these questions by the end of the week. So now, for those who attend today, Abdurrahman, do you have any questions? If you have, please chat here. You all, if you have any questions, you can send them to me through the video. Okay, yes. I will answer any of your questions. I check my inbox on Jupyter and also on my email on an hourly basis. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to send them to me. And once I check my email, I will answer to all of your questions. Thank you, guys. Thank you again. Thank you. Goodbye. Just a second. We have a question here before leaving. I will stop recording. Okay, and answer the questions.